Okay, so we are back live again. So we were on a live stream and the live stream got disconnected. So we are back in the live stream. So let me check if everything is fine. So yeah, okay. So I'm in the micro mini Nasdaq index futures 30 minutes chart. So this is a live trade recap so that you could, if you join live, you could ask questions and clarify any doubts you are having about these trades. So you can see the price yesterday, the price was in a down move and the price retraced all the way up here. And if you look at our yesterday's stream, you can see we made a winning trade of 1 to 4 winning trade over here. So have a look at that session as well. And then after that, you can see the price is ranging in this area. So when it comes to today's trading, when the price was making a range in this area, there were two possibilities. So one possibility was because the price retraced all the way up, for the price to go down and target the volume point of control of the previous days. The other possibility was for the price to push up from this range and target this volume point of control. Now, however, because the overall market is bearish, as you can see, and because the price retraced all the way up into this fair value gap area plus into this low volume nodes, there was a possibility where there was a more possibility for the price to go down from here. However, we can't make, so let's jump into the 5 minutes chart to further analyze what the price would do next. Okay, so let me bring back the screen over here. Okay, so let's jump into the trading screen. Okay, so I'm in the micro mini Nasdaq index futures 5 minute chart now. So I'm in the 5 minutes chart now. So this is that range what you saw earlier in the 30 minutes chart. So basically what we have drawn is the volume profile. So using this tool, market profile and TPO, you draw the volume profile for that range. And the reason for us drawing this volume profile is so you can figure out the value area high, the value area low, and the volume point of control. So you can see the price is ranging in this area. So now what we did next was we looked forward. So now let's see what the price is doing next. So you can see at 9:40 the price strongly pushed down, and that push is with bearish stacked imbalances. So these bearish stacked imbalances and this strong displacement down gives us the first clue of a possible price move down. And you can see the delta is negative at that time over here, which also supports the bearish move down. Also, you can see the cumulative volume delta is also negative, bearish. That also supports the price push down and also with high volume. So with these extra confluences in the 5 minutes chart, we understand now there's a chance of the price moving down. So what we have to do now is further analyze and see what the price would do next. So for that, we will jump into the 1 minute chart. Let me bring the next screen line. So after analyzing the 5 minutes chart, what we have to do next is we have to jump into the 1 minute chart to analyze in detail what the price would do next. So let's jump into the 1 minute chart now. Okay, so let me figure it out with the 1 minute chart. Let me bring the 1 minute chart over here and just discuss that part with you all. Okay, so let me bring the 1 minute chart, which is where we take the final trade decisions. So you can see this is that range in the what you saw in the 30 minute and the 5 minute, now in the 1 minute chart. So you can see we draw the volume profile for that range from this point to this point, and you can see the for that range, this is the value area high over here, then value area low, and the volume point of control. So then looking at 9:30 New York time, what we see is, let's move forward. So this is that price movement which we discussed in the 5 minutes chart. So when the time is 9:40 a.m. New York time, 9:45, you can see the price strongly pushed down as discussed earlier.